Okay, we are now almost at Pacific Central, so I hope you have a safe camping trip.
All right, thank you, guys. We made it to the station. Let's meet Christy, and we can board the train.
Did you hear that? We are almost at Pacific Central. Are you excited for the camping trip in Jasper, Alberta? And do you like my summer dress and my leather boots?
Yes, I do, Mom.
I'm happy to hear that. Well, we are now at Pacific Central Station, so let's get out bags, meet Christy, and board the train.
That's a big-looking locomotive.
I know, right? But let's get the passenger on board right now.
Hey guys, glad that you could make it. Are you all excited for the train trip to Jasper?
We sure do, because we have about 1 minute until all aboard, so let's board the train and go to our assigned seats.
Great idea, because the train will be leaving soon.
Do you like going on a Via Rail Canadian train ride?
Yes, I was looking forward to going camping in Jasper, Alberta, and I love going on a train ride because it was a stainless steel train built for Canadian Pacific in 1955.
Good, and I'm so glad that you are drinking coffee that you got.
And would you look at that? Everybody is enjoying the scenery of the Canadian Rockies. Just take a look at everybody in the passenger car. See what I mean? We are all in the coach car and the Skyline Dome car, so sit back, relax, and welcome to the world of a train. It is made in England, the country that I was originally born in 1995.
You sure do, honey, and I love eating tacos. Little Caillou, do you like the train ride?
Yes, I sure do. Where's Lucy? Isn't she supposed to come with us?
Oh, do you wanna know why Lucy is not with us? The reason why Lucy is not with us because she is with the other campers taking care of my daughter Natalie in Cultus Lake. That's why she told me to look after you, and I decided to take you with my husband and my stepson with us on a Via Rail train to Jasper, Alberta, because it will be so much fun. There will be some activities, like canoeing, hiking, swimming, and other activities that we can do in Jasper, Alberta, and I'm sure you will like it, okay?
Okay, now that we made it to Jasper, Alberta, let's catch the coach bus that will take us to Jasper National Park campsite.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my friend on the phone.
Oh, okay. We are almost at the campsite, so let's enjoy the scenery.
Hello campers, welcome to Waptai Campground. We have lots of activities for all of you to do here, but first, let's show you to your cabins.
I'm looking forward to this vacation.
Us too. It will be so much fun.
Okay, now that I lit the campfire, let's enjoy the evening. Let's roast some marshmallows. Okay, how about we sing some campfire songs?
How about we tell hunting stories now?
I don't think that's a good idea, especially for little Caillou. It could give him worse nightmares.
Well, what other campfire activity should we do?
Well, it's 11 p.m. We have been sitting around the campfire for a long time, so there's only one activity we can do.
And what's that?
Bedtime.
Ugh, I don't want to go to bed. I'm having a fun time looking at the fire burning the wood.
Into your cabins.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Mark.
Good night, Caillou.
Caillou. Wake up, it's morning.
That's the breakfast bell. Let's go to the dining hall.
Good idea. I'm getting hungry anyway.
Oh my god, the picnic that you had there is so delicious, right?
Yeah, it sure was. Well, since you guys like the food that the camping staff brought for us, What shall we say we start eating before it gets cold? Do you want to play fetch? Hey, where's Richard? I don't see him anywhere. Neither I saw Michael.
Oh, Richard told me that he and Michael will do the rail thinning. That's why they are not here with us. And another reason is, they already finished their lunch, so don't worry, keep playing with Laura, which was my dog.
Laura, I'm coming for you.
Would you look at that? I see the CPKC train coming. They are pulled by two General Electric locomotives, with a CP Relay C4400CW leading, and ABC Rail C44-9W trailing.
They are pulling a 9 boxcars, 14 hoppers with grain, 7 flatbeds, 11 gondolas with wood chips, 2 loaded tankers with all kinds of hazardous liquids, 3 more gondolas, and finally, a caboose. Anyway, now that the train has passed, let's go to birthday dance party.
Great idea, Michael. I can't wait for my other friends to see our train spotting video. Anyways, let's boogie.
So Brian, do you like the party? And do you like how the 5 ladies wear their party dresses?
Yes, Mom. I like how the ladies are wearing their party outfits, including my girlfriends Jenny, Dakota, Carla, Tiana, and you.
That's good to hear. And only 5 people are wearing their leather boots at Brianna and Tiana's birthday party, including me and 2 girlfriends.
Yes, I agree. We do look much pretty with our leather boots, and our party dresses for parties like this.
Yeah, but I look much better without them. Anyway, we got 2 minutes until we have to sing happy birthday to the twins.
I don't really like this music, I only the Indian folk, as well as 70s and 80s music.
Look, there are the boys in the games room watching the train spotting video that Richard took, and as for everyone else, they enjoy this music.
Happy birthday, Brianna and Tiana.
Thank you. This was the best day ever, Tiana. Remember we listened to the 90s rodents music on the train months ago? I agree. Little Caillou, what do you think about this music? We loved it so much, and we are now wearing our new party outfits, and Brianna is wearing her high heel stilettos pumps and I'm wearing my high heel stiletto knee-high leather boots.
Okay, but you wanna know something? I think the 90s Eurodance is more suitable for the dance club.
U6, how is everybody doing? I checked on everybody else in the club, including the Porch Boys, my stepson, my husband, Chrissy, Matt, and Joyce, and I even had a home chat with Caillou, and I told him that after we sing happy birthday to the twins, Caillou, Gina, and I will dance to the 90s dance that I love, and then we will dance to the ladies song I love.
That sounds like a good idea. How long until we have to gather around and sing happy birthday to the twins?
Oh, you got 1 minute to gather everyone around here, so let everybody know that it is time now.
Hey guys, how are you doing? And Kelly, what do you think of my new black party dress?
You might look my pretty little black dress.
Thank you. Anyway, Dakota told me go over the whole club and let you guys know that it is now time to sing happy birthday to Brianna and Tiana.
I just finished my drink.
Alright, finish your drink, and then we will gather around with everybody in the club to sing happy birthday to the twins.
Thank you for all our birthday wishes. We love you all so much.
Well guys, it was meeting you.
It was nice knowing you too. Happy Labor Day.
Why are we at the train station?
Do you want to know why we are at the station? The reason is, our days at the campsite have expired.
And why is the train longer? Is it pulled by another locomotive?
Because there are a lot for passengers, so it required 6 locomotive to pull it. So no, it's not a bi-rail locomotive. It is actually a BC rail locomotive.
Oh yes, I love BC Rail, and we are at the other side of the tracks.
Wow, that's a very big locomotive, and it is a BC rail freight locomotive, so that's rare to see it leave the Via Rail train number 1, the Canadian.
I know, right? And why is the BC Rail locomotive pulling the Via Rail train?
Well, it's because the train is very long and heavy, so rather than just the 2 F40 PHs, we added the GO Transit F59 PH, CP Rail SD40-2F, CNSD60F, and the one that we're driving is the BC Rail C40-8M4604, and it is equipped with new cast P5.
I can see that. We only got about 10 minutes until we have to get going.
Can I show everyone the 6th locomotive that they are powering the train?
Yes, I will honk the horn to let you know that it is time for you to come back to the front, so I will see you in the locomotive cab, and Papa, we will show you the controls, because we are teaching you how to drive a train.
Sounds like a good idea, Dad. And Caitlin, come back to the locomotive in 10 minutes.
Come on everybody, let's show you the 6 locomotives that pulls this long train. I only got 10 minutes to do this, so let's go. This is BC Rail 4604, a General Electric C40-8M built in 1990. BC Rail took delivery of these locomotives equipped with double-ditch lights between 1990 and 1993. They are equipped with a Nathan K5L air horn, but the air horn got replaced by the Nathan P5 air horn for this locomotive. Anyway, let's move on. This is CN5509, an Electromotive Division SD60F built in 1985. Canadian National took delivery of those locomotives between 1985 and 1989. They are equipped with Nathan K3L air horns, but this one has a horn replaced by the Nathan P3 horn. Now let's move on. Now this is CP Rail 9002, an Electromotive Division SD40-2F built in 1988. Canadian Pacific took delivery of these locomotives between 1988 and 1989, and they are equipped with a Nathan K3L air horn. Let's move on now. Now this is GO Transit 520, an Electromotive Division F59PH built in 1988. GO Transit took delivery of these locomotives in that year. Let's keep going. Now this is the 6409 and former Amtrak Electromotive Division F40PH. Via Rail Canada took delivery of these locomotives between 1986 and 1989, but this one got repainted into a retro livery after it retired. Let's move on. Finally, this is Via Rail F40PH-3D. This is a locomotive also built in 1986. And like I said about locomotive in front of it, that covers all the locomotive that pulls the train. Did you hear that? That's the P5 horn. Now let's go back to BC Rail 4604.
Did you hear the horn? That means it is time to get on the train to go home, so let's hop on board.
sure did. Our birthday party was so much fun.
From all of us at Fire Rail, Brianna and Tiana, we want to say happy 20th birthday to the both of you.
Thank you so much. We're now 20 years old. We had fun at the birthday dance party in Jasper. I love the dance music from the 90s. And how is everybody else doing with me?
We are doing really easy. We are playing hard, and I'm leading them on.
They are doing good, and I can see Mark, Doris, and Kylie sleeping, and I heard the four boys playing cars again.
Little Caillou, Carla, Brianna, and Iana. Look! We're approaching. Wait. We're not arriving back at Pacific Central Station. We're actually arriving at the Port Keppelin Rail Yard.
Little Caillou, did you hear that? We are almost home, and we are happy to see Lucy again.
Did you know who drove a Canadian National SD70M-2 leaving a manifest to get here?
Was it you guys?
Correct, it was us. And oh, happy birthday Brianna and Tiana.
Thank you.
And what do you think of our outfits, and do you want to know why we are wearing them?
Ah, you both look so beautiful.
Thank you, Pooh. And Little Caillou, do you want to hear a story on what we did in Edmonton?
Yes, I would love to hear a story from you.
Hear that. Once upon a time, when our parents sent to work a Canadian National hauling AC and intermodal train to Edmonton, and we were with the engineers while we're driving the C44-9W.
And once we are at Edmonton, we went to the hotel to sleep together for the night, and the next day, we went to the farm to go horseback riding, have a picnic at the lake, we put on our party outfits, we went to the restaurant to go on a date, then we went to the nightclub to dance together, got the picture of us at the dance club, we got back on the train heading west, we saw you guys at Jasper Station, and we got here before you guys before we met you all.
Wow, that was an amazing story. Thank you so much.
We are glad you like it.
Yeah, I agree.
That's the bus horn. It's waiting for us. Cooper and Angela, the engineers told me that they put your bags inside the bus, and since your parents are sleeping, we will all take you both back home.
Awesome idea, Christy. It is already dark outside, and we are tired after a long train, so let's go home now.